Hello, dear students. I am Emrah, teacher. How are you? I hope everybody is great today. And I'm nice to see you again. Let's talk about what we learned before. Before we learned description of people, we asked some questions. What does she or he look like for appearance? Physical appearance, for height, weight, maybe facial expressions. Okay. What is she or he like? We ask another question. For personality, what is she like? She is honest. What is he like? He is generous. So we asked for characteristic features, personal traits. And next question, what does she or he like? He likes swimming, she likes painting, singing songs, and we ask this question for hobbies. And today we will learn comparatives. What is comparatives? Let's see more about it. Comparatives, we compare two things or many things with adjectives. One-syllable adjectives, or we have adjectives 3 or more syllables. One-syllable adjectives, what's that? High, hard, fast, big, small. It means short adjectives. Once you say and it comes out from your mouth once. High, hard, fast. Relatively, they are short adjectives, we can say. We add er suffix like that. High, higher, hard, harder, fast, faster. You know, adjectives ending in a stressed vowel. Vowel means a, I, O. These are vowels. Consonant means H, F, S. Vowel A, E, O. You can say. For consonant, you can say N, T, H, D. If adjectives ending in a stressed vowel between two consonants, what's that? Two consonants, H and T. There is one vowel here, hot. Look at that. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So, hot, if ER suffix adding hot, we say hotter. One T more we write. Okay, you can read Turkish explanations also here. Turkish explanations. Slim, look at that. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Slim, slimmer. One M more we write. Hot, hotter, slim, slimmer. Okay. And if we have Y, two-syllable adjectives ending in Y, turn Y into I, and then take ER. Look at that. Easy, we omit Y. Easier. Early, look at that. We have consonant before Y. Early, earlier. Busy, busier. Some two-syllable adjectives such as clever, polite, friendly, narrow, common take ER or more. You can use ER or more together. Clever, cleverer, more clever, it's okay also. We will learn more in this part. Polite, politer, it's okay. And also you can use more polite. Adjectives with 3 or more syllable. Adjectives with 3 or more syllable means long adjectives like interesting, delicious, expensive. Not short, they are long adjectives. So we use more interesting, more delicious, more expensive. Remember, high, higher, hard, harder. These are short adjectives. Interesting, delicious, expensive. They are long adjectives. So we use more interesting, more delicious, more expensive. And we have also irregular adjectives. Some adjectives have irregular forms. Good, we don't say gooder, we say better, okay? Good changes into better. Far, far, farther. We don't say farther, no. Further or further, true. Bad, we don't say better, we say worse. Little, less, much, more. They are irregular adjectives. They have another rules like that. You can read Turkish explanations also. Comparatives. We use comparatives adjectives plus than to compare two people or things. Okay? Let's see some example. A bike is cheaper, cheap. Once you say short adjective cheap, so we add er. Cheaper than. We don't forget than. A bike is cheaper than a car. Math is more difficult. Look at that. Difficult is long adjective. So we don't say difficulter. No. We say more difficult. Math is more difficult than history. Look at that Turkish explanation here. We don't forget than when we compare two people or things. Her marks are better than mine. Good, remember good, we don't say gooder, we use better. Don't forget this. Now, my friends, let's check some more exercises. We have adjectives for comparative form. Let's see. Old, we say older. Young, younger. Tall, taller. Fast, faster. Slow, slower. Strong, stronger. Dark, darker. Fat, fatter. Look at that. Fat. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So when we write fatter, one T more. Look at that. Fatter. Thin. Look at that. H consonant, I vowel, and consonant. So if it is going like that, we write one and more, thinner. Big, the same way. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So bigger, big, bigger. Happy, look at that. We have Y. Before Y, we have a consonant. So Y, we omit Y and add I. Happier, happy, happier. Easy, the same way we omit Y, we write easier. Now adjectives, two or more syllables. Let's see. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, expensive, more expensive. Delicious, delicious, yummy, more delicious. Interesting, more interesting. Crowded, crowded, more crowded, we say. Successful, more successful. Incredible, amazing, incredible, more incredible. Let's see some irregular adjectives now. Don't forget, we use irregular adjectives: good, better, bad, worse, far, farther, or further. Don't forget these irregular adjectives. They are so important. Let's see some examples. Old and young. Let's see example. Dumbledore is older than Harry Potter. What about Harry Potter? Think about it. Let's use young now. Harry Potter is younger than Dumbledore. It's okay. Ursula is fat. Morgana is thin. Can you compare Ursula and Morgana? It's about their weight. Think about it. Ursula is fatter than Morgana. Don't forget one T more. Why? Because let's see fat. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So fatter than Morgana. What about Morgana? If we say about Morgana according to teen way, Morgana is thinner than Ursula. Thinner than Ursula. Okay. We see McQueen. McQueen is new and fast. We have Matter. Matter is old and slow. Let's compare. McQueen is faster than Matter. Matter is older than McQueen. Right? So easy. Hercule. Hades. Hercule is stronger than Hades. Stronger than Hades. Snow White, Cinderella. What about their hair? Let's compare their hair now. I see dark hair. I see what? Blonde hair here. Let's compare now. Snow White's hair is darker than Cinderella's hair. Darker than. Far, far away city. Remember Shrek. Shrek's house. Near. So, far, far away city is farther than Shrek's house. Farther. Remember irregular adjectives. Turkish food, we have Chinese food, good and bad. Let's start with Turkish food, good. Remember, good is irregular word. Turkish food is better than Chinese food. Good changes into better, don't forget. And see Snow White, beautiful, Queen, ugly. Let's start with Snow White. What we do for beautiful? Beautifuler? No. We use more. Very good. Snow White is more beautiful than Queen. Gold and silver. We talk about their price item. Gold is more expensive than silver. Silver is cheaper than gold. Gold is more expensive than silver. Okay. Now let's do some more examples. Complete the sentence by using comparative forms of the adjectives in brackets. We have bad in brackets. He is a blah blah student. Bad changes into what? Remember? Very good. bad changed into worse students than his brother. The maths exam was easy. The English exam. We compare maths exam and English exam now. So easy year, easier than. Very good. My grandpa is forgetful. Forgetful is a short adjective or long adjective. It is long adjective. So what we use for long adjectives? More. My grandpa is more forgetful than my grandma. Are you your best friend? We compare you with your best friend with teen. What we use, teen is a short adjective, so we use thinner. Are you thinner than? She is beautiful, so we use she is more beautiful than her sister. Sam is outgoing. It's easy now. Outgoing is long adjective, so Sam is more outgoing than Paul. The weather today is good. Remember good. This is what? Yes, we say better. The weather today is better than it was yesterday. We compare today and yesterday about weather. Jane is slimmer than her mom and sister. Dolphins are smarter than monkeys. Smart, clever. Both my brother and sister are funnier than me. Okay, let's do another practice. And let's see. Old, young, we have Michael and Sam. Michael is old or young? How can we compare? Michael is older than Sam. Let's do second. Strong, weak. Tom. We start the sentence with Tom. Tom is stronger than Tim. Tim is weaker than Tom. Or when we look at the first one, Sam is younger than Michael. Roy and Carla, happy, sad. Roy is sadder than Carla. Carla is happier than Roy. Okay. Sally's hair, Kelly's hair. Long, short. Let's look at this. Sally's hair is shorter than Kelly's. Look at the fifth one now. We compare Mary and Peter. Hardworking. Mary is hardworking or lazy. Which one? Hardworking. So what we use for hardworking, this is long adjective. So Mary is more hardworking than Peter. Peter is lazier than Mary. Bob and Bill, fat and thin. We talk about Bob, so Bob is fatter than Bill. And the last exercise, seventh, Lisa's problem. This is Lisa's problem. This is Mike's problem. Difficult and easy. So Lisa's problem is difficult. So what we use, Lisa's problem is more difficult than Mike's. Yes, my friends, today we studied comparatives with adjectives. So we finished the first unit, appearance and personality, and we will see next unit. And for today, goodbye.